gonna do like a thing that I made up. You do this, then you put your legs up, then you roll over. That's my new thing that I was talking about. And I'm gonna do this. It's really hard to bounce. And I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna do a bridge. One leg, one arm. And then I'm gonna do a backwards cartwheel. It's really hard. See, I get a little mixed up. I got. See, I'm gonna do probably a candlestick. Then we'll roll over. This way, then do this, and then this. I kind of made that up just now. I'm gonna do that one-handed cartwheel. It's a one-handed round off. But I can only put this hand on the ground, or this will happen. So I'm gonna do that. Roll.